Yeah, it's me, Suni Yadav. So today let's talk about the partition wala problem. Means problem faced during the partition or the challenges faced while the partition was taking place. So partition was taking place on the basis of two-nation theory advanced by Muslim League. So when the partition was taking place, the whole process was very painful and traumatic. It very difficult to decide that which area will be in Pakistan or what will the areas which will cover in Hindustan. So it was decided that the religious majority principle will be followed. So in spite of this, there were mainly four major problems that are talked about in our NCERT book. First problem was that there wasn't any single belt of Muslim majority. सो ये प्रॉब्लम कुछ ऐसा था कि पूरे इंडिया में ऐसा कोई एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया नहीं था, पर्टिकुलर एक रीजन नहीं था जहाँ पे सिर्फ मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी रहती है. पूरे इंडिया में देयर आर टू एरिया ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन एंड ईस्ट वाला एरिया जो बंगाल के पास है एंड द वेस्ट वाला एरिया जो पंजाब वाला एरिया था पूरा का पूरा. सो इट वाज डिसाइडेड देयर विल बी टू पाकिस्तान, ईस्ट पाकिस्तान एंड द वेस्ट पाकिस्तान. And then the second problem was that not all the Muslim wanted to be with the Pakistan or wanted to be in the part of the Pakistan. For example, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, who was also known as the Frontier Gandhi, and he was the leader of Northwest Frontier provinces. He staunchly opposed and criticized two-nation theory, but ignoring this, the whole NWFP province got merged into the Pakistan. The third problem was the non-Muslim, large number of non-Muslim population in the area of Muslim majority belt. So it was seen that there were large number of non-Muslim community in the Western Pakistan and the Eastern Pakistan. So it was decided that both the area will be bifurcated according to the religious majority. Then the fourth problem was of minorities. Minorities का problem ये था कि an undesirable alien in their own home. This was the line or this was the sentence used in the NCERT to represent that there were lack number of Hindu and Sikh population that were now in the area which were now in Pakistan. And vice versa with the Muslim majority also. There were large number of Muslim in Punjab wala area which were decided to be the part of the India, and Bengal wala area which were also decided to be the part of the India. So ये जो minorities का problem था. So these are the four problems during the partition.